Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic in July 2025, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of wearable technology. This upcoming smartwatch is poised to blend traditional design elements with cutting-edge technology, catering to both tech enthusiasts and those seeking a stylish accessory. Design and display. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to feature a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, ensuring vibrant visuals and sharp clarity. Protected by sapphire crystal, the display is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. The watch will be available in two sizes, 43mm and 47mm, offering options to suit different wrist sizes. A standout feature is the return of the rotating bezel, a hallmark of previous classic models, providing users with tactile navigation and a nostalgic touch. ICT Gadget. +1. ICT Gadget. +1. ICT Gadget. Geeky Gadgets. +1. Time News. +1. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is anticipated to be powered by the Exynos W990 chipset, coupled with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. This combination promises smooth performance and ample space for apps and media. The watch will be equipped with a 520 mAh battery, supporting 10W wireless charging, aiming to deliver extended usage on a single charge. While the inclusion of the rotating bezel may slightly impact battery life compared to bezel-less designs, it enhances user experience and functionality. ICT Gadget. +1. ICT Gadget. +1. Geeky Gadgets. Software and features. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will run on Wear OS 6, integrated with Samsung's One UI 7 watch interface. This combination is expected to offer a seamless and intuitive user experience, with improved performance and enhanced features. Notably, the watch will introduce Google Gemini AI as the primary voice assistant, replacing Google Assistant. Gemini AI is designed to provide more natural and contextual voice interactions, enhancing the overall usability of the smartwatch. The Verge. Health and fitness tracking remain at the forefront of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's capabilities. The watch is expected to include advanced sensors for monitoring heart rate, blood pressure, and ECG. Additionally, features like the vascular load indicator and antioxidant index graph aim to provide users with deeper insights into their health metrics. An AI-powered health coach is also anticipated, offering personalized guidance and recommendations to help users achieve their wellness goals. Connectivity and durability. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will support eSIM functionality, allowing users to make calls and access data without needing their smartphone nearby. It will also feature dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS for seamless connectivity and accurate location tracking. Built to withstand various environments, the watch will be MIL, STD, 810H compliant and offer 50 water resistance, IP68, ensuring durability during outdoor activities and workouts. Time News. ICT Gadget. +1. ICT Gadget. +1. Pricing and availability. While official pricing has yet to be announced, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to be priced competitively within the premium smartwatch segment. The anticipated release date is July 2025, aligning with Samsung's typical launch schedule for its Galaxy Watch series. Pre-orders are likely to commence shortly after the official announcement, with availability in select markets shortly thereafter. LifeWire.com. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the smartwatch market, combining classic design elements with modern technology. With its anticipated features, performance enhancements, and health-focused capabilities, it promises to cater to a wide range of users seeking both functionality and style in their wearable devices. As the official release approaches, more details will emerge, solidifying the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's position as a leading choice for smartwatch enthusiasts. Latest news on Wear OS 6 and Google Gemini AI. Wear OS 6 marks a significant upgrade to Google's smartwatch platform by integrating Google Gemini, a generative AI assistant set to replace Google Assistant. Gemini offers more natural voice interactions and can interface with apps like Gmail, enhancing functions such as managing reservations and summarizing information. It can be accessed via voice command, app launcher, or button shortcuts, but it requires an internet connection, with offline functions being considered for the future. Not all Wear OS watches will support Gemini, only those currently running Assistant. The Verge. +1. AndroidCentral.com. +1. The update also introduces Google's Material 3 expressive design, emphasizing circular watch face compatibility and updated visuals, such as more glanceable notifications, color theming, and improved tappable areas. Performance improvements include a modest 10% boost in battery life, although user experience may vary. The release aligns Wear OS 6 with Android 16, sharing the same codebase to ensure a consistent ecosystem experience across devices. The Verge. Upcoming smartwatches in 2025. As of mid-2025, several exciting smartwatch models are anticipated for release later in the year. Apple is expected to launch 3 new models in September. The Apple Watch SE 3, featuring a design update to match the Series 8 and 9 sizes. The Apple Watch Series 11, potentially introducing blood pressure monitoring, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3, likely to also include health monitoring upgrades and a better OLED display. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic models are rumored for a July launch, with potential design changes such as the adoption of a squircle form, and the Classic model expected to feature a rotating bezel. Google's Pixel Watch May 4th arrive in September with slight design tweaks, improved battery life, and possibly wireless charging. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 remains a wild card, with minimal leaks suggesting its release is less certain.